What the fuck is that? That is not on SRT8. Oh shit. Oh shit! We fucked that bitch up, nigga. What's the deal to the cmblilfraent gang? Man, I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with a banger video that y'all haven't seen on YouTube. Look at the police. Shit! Look at the ops. Damn. But I'm back with another video that y'all never seen on YouTube yet, and I thought about why not doing. We gonna be sliding, hitting corners. I mean, it was raining earlier, so the ground is pretty wet, you feel me? But hold on, that 300 looks familiar. Let's see what we finna do by the title, man. We finna get active. I'm not even gonna lie, dog. What the fuck? I'm dead. If y'all don't know, that's the 300 that's the first 300 car I done raced with my SRT8 Charger. When I have my SRT8, that's the first 300 I done raced, dude. And I got my ass dragged. So I had 22s on. Look, he hopping behind me. Yeah, but so basically we finna be hitting corners, sliding in the rain type of thing, you feel me? But it stopped raining because we ain't gonna do it while it's raining type shit. But yeah, that's what we finna do. We finna hit corners in the rain. You feel me? It's wet out. Y'all see his round, if y'all see his raindrops up on my hood, you feel me? Look at the 300. Look, yup, that's it. I'm sick. I'm sick as hell. That's SRT8 300. I need y'all to look behind me at what I just seen. Hold on, let me get over. Let me get over. What the fuck is that? That is not on SRT8. I'm sorry. We gotta follow bro for a minute. This is not no SRT8. What the fuck is that? What is that? Look at the wide body kit. Who says that was okay? I'm not even gonna cap. We gotta get on the side of him. We gotta get on the side of bro. What the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck, my boy? My boy, come on, my boy. What, you scared? My boy turning. Oh, hell nah, dude. Y'all know what we gotta do. Y'all already know what time it is. You feel me? We finna turn off that traction. And we finna slide it down. Let me put my baby. No, so we finna slide. We go slide every corner we make. We go slide every turn we make. No cap. You already know. So I got my water bottle. Gotta stay hydrated. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. That be a little empty, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. Don't tell on me, nobody. Don't tell on me. Shit, fuck it. In my hood, I put that sport, and then I'm gonna crank that traction off up here. Feel me? Turn that bit off. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had that bit manual. Phone down. Damn. Oh shit. God damn. The fuck type of trenches we on? Damn. Alright, shit. Let's try a second gear. We're gonna try a second gear. I don't want to do it with this truck right here. We got a little sideway action shit. If y'all just look at every crib and shit, most of these cribs got fucking cameras. Let's see, we'll go hit this one, go let them go. We're gonna do it in second gear. We're gonna see how second gear feel. Yes, sir. I think I like that second gear. Damn, I want to try to make that turn. That car right there, I don't want to get too wide and smack that. That bitch look fucked up anyways, but we go. That bitch ain't really fly like that. It's so wet. Know what I'm saying? Had a little, you feel? We gonna crack the roof. Get some. Oh shit, it's raining. Oh shit. We gonna leave like that. Oh shit, it's raining. Duh. Alright, we gotta close that shit up. That bit rained, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so as y'all see, man, it started back raining, so let's see. We're gonna try to hit this corner since it's wide. Get this. That bitch did not want to slide. That bitch, I was in first gear. That's why. I think that's why. Shit, I don't know. We finna make that neighborhood hot as hell. Right. Oh shit, look at the rain coming down. Y'all wanna hit this corner? We'll hit this corner. Want to hit it too hard, be too damn wet. This will work on my handles though, I ain't gonna lie. See, it's a pole right here. What y'all think? Yes sir, yes sir. NASCAR free. Alright, these houses a little too big. Shit, I know we still in the hood though. I ain't gonna lie. But we going more towards the suburbs and shit, you feel me? Not really, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, this bit bumpy as hell. Can't even hit none of these corners, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, damn, bitch. Damn, little freaking bitch got bumpy. Shit. Nigga, we off-road in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. This way. Alright, y'all see little freaking. My handle's gonna be sweet as hell and shit if I keep doing these videos. I ain't gonna lie. If I keep doing these type of videos, bro, my handle's gonna be sweet as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. My handle's gonna be. Hold on, let me turn off these. It's not raining no more. Alright, we're gonna turn this way. We gotta slide this bit. Damn, it's a car right here. Fuck. Alright, damn, we can't. No, it's construction down there. It's a dead end. You gotta go straight. Oh no, it ain't. Fuck. Damn, I don't feel like going over all these damn speed bumps and shit, gang. Shit. Only thing about going by these streets in the hood, man. Man, they done made sure we can't fly up these bitches. I ain't gonna lie. I used to be a victim. I used to be. Say no. We'll leave it in two. We'll hit this corner. That bit was hard. I ain't gonna lie. Look at him. Oh, he ain't paying attention. That bitch was hard, nigga. What, nigga? That bitch was hard as fuck, nigga. Shit. That bitch was hard as fuck. I slid that bitch good as hell. What, I was in one? I think I was in one. Should I slide onto the main road? I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, risky as fuck. There's too many cars. Look at that. Them bitches lined the fuck up. Hold on. This bitch wide as fuck though. Hell yeah, that shit just gave me some adrenaline and shit, nigga. I feel like a nigga, I'm finna be sweet as hell, nigga. I'm just finna drive hitting corners and shit, nigga. Then they got a donut on that bitch. Then I wanna slide this bitch. I ain't gonna slide it cause there's too many cars coming. Or I might, and then there's a car right here. What if I hit that nigga? I'm gonna maybe slide a little bit. Let's see. Shit! That bitch is not catching no traction. Damn, can I go down the side street? Oh yeah, it's another side street right here. Duh. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga. I feel like the man, nigga. Hell yeah, see that? I already yanked that bitch. I don't even know where to go. I wanna hit this corner. We'll go hit this corner. Whoa, shit! Whoa, shit! Y'all, now y'all see that bit. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. Shit, I don't know if I should use first or second gear. Second gear get more loose though. I might use second gear cause first gear it just seemed like, I don't know, first gear I might got a tap. We going out to the next one. That shit bumpy as hell, and I'm not turning that way. That car sitting there looking dumb as fuck. Oh yeah, whip this hoe. Shit. Yeah. They probably like, oh my god, this nigger driving my neighborhood. Nigga, I'm fucking up y'all blocks, nigga. My block. Shit. Look, they gonna move all the way over. They must be parking. They probably this. Let's see, is they staring at me? They staring at me. They staring at me, what's staring at me? Oh, we hitting this corner. I like this bit. Oh, shit! Oh my god! Hold on, we could crack this open. Now it ain't raining, I think. I don't think. Hold on, I'm about to get it to pop again. Hold on, look. Hold on, I gotta get it to pop again. Hold on. Damn, I didn't do it. Damn. This is a main road too. Damn. Oh, they got a stop sign. I was gonna slide that bit by my. I ain't gonna slide that bit. I ain't gonna do too much. I ain't gonna do too much. Not CMB gang. You feel me? I know I'm a NASCAR race shit, but shit.
Man, sit your dumb ass down and shut.
Woo, shit. That motherfucker sound crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, shit, what the fuck was that? Should I do it? I'm gonna fuck around, fly on the freeway and shit. Damn, buddy. Like, no, we're gonna turn down this corner. Shit, I mean, I'm hitting these hoes. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna do a few more. I'm hitting these bitches. For real. Oh, what the fuck was that? We're gonna hit this bitch. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Damn! Damn! I wanna do a donut real quick. I wanna do a donut, but they fuck around and call the police on my ass. Shit, y'all see that motherfucker? Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to be a driver. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to be a driver. I'm about to be a driver coming soon. Afraid being a driver coming soon, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see how I bang in these corners? This for real shit. This for real. This ain't no fake shit. Shit. You gonna let everybody go. You gonna let everybody go. We're gonna hit this bitch right here. We fucking this bitch up, bro. Already? Oh shit! We fucked that bitch up, nigga. We fucked that bitch up, nigga. Yeah, nigga, that's how you do it, nigga. Nigga, that's how you fucking do it, nigga. Go ahead, one more. What's this? Damn. Nigga, fucking, nigga, we on the fucking main road, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. We own that, nigga. I don't need no cars to be coming, nigga. I don't need no cars to be coming. I'm finna hit this bitch. Go hit this bitch. Dog. We just hit that bitch on the main road. What are you traffic? They probably, what the fuck? It's the last turn. Hopefully we're gonna do it in front of the no feds or nothing. It teach me how to learn my car better type shit, you feel me? Like, I said, I'll be able to slide this bitch. Like, sweet as hell. I said, just teach me how to learn my car better. Dog, they probably, what the fuck? I ain't even hit that bitch for real. Matter of fact, should we pull over and edit it again? So we pull over, y'all wanna see the whip? Y'all wanna see the whip? I'll pull right up in there on, bro. I'll pull right up in there. What's that? I can't be seeing no motel. That's bummy as hell. Damn, I would run this bit. So you know, but yeah, man, like I said, if y'all want me to do more of these videos, man, just keep liking them up. Know what I'm saying? I seen y'all like the last one I did, so I had to come out with another one. And today would have to be raining. I said, fuck it. Let's do them in the rain. I look, like doing them in the rain because y'all just know it burns less tread when you in the rain, you feel me? The car is more to glide, so it will teach you how to slide type shit, you know what I'm saying? To control your car and everything, you feel me? But, shit, let me see. We're gonna pull in here. But I ain't gonna lie, I can't even walk outside, it's raining. I'm gonna close that. It's fucking raining. Why? I mean, this is a GoPro, but shit, that was one hell of a video. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to focus. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to focus, trying not to crash this bitch, because this car do be getting. This car is not like the straight SRTA. You know, so SRTA, I be full throttle. You can't do this in this car. You will fuck around and lose control. Like dead ass. You gotta know how to control that shit. Y'all see, I got them handles. Know what I'm saying? Frank getting better and better at this shit. You feel? Let me go ahead and show y'all the way before we end this video. You know what I'm saying? It's raining out this bit. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit. It's raining out this bit. Let's see, check my tires. Tires good, y'all see, man. We do it in the rain. Tires be good. The shit dirty as hell, y'all see, man. But tires good, you just shit all up in their mud and shit. It's cool though. Check the other side. Shit, hopefully y'all can see. It just fucking rain. Shit, let's see. This tire is straight too, you know what I'm saying? We still got months to go. I mean, not months, but rim dirty as hell though. It need a wash. But we still got tread to go. I ain't gonna lie. Then we could get some new tires and shit. You know what I'm saying? A little dirt up in there. A little water, clean that off. It's all sounding good. I'm thinking about making this bitch louder. Oh shit, my door wet as hell. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, it's raining out that bit. You look at this shit, dude. Fucking dirt wet as fuck, dude. But yeah, man, hope y'all like and enjoyed this video, man. I know I enjoy doing these videos. I ain't gonna lie, it just, you know, it's not too much, and it just teach me how to control my car better. You know, so even like you just driving it, regular driving it, daily driving it, you know what I'm saying? And something happen, you need to catch your shit real quick. You learn how to do that. You know how to do that because shit like this, you feel me? Yeah, man, if y'all want to see more of these, you know what I'm saying? I'll make more of these, you know what I'm saying? I'll make these bitches in parts, nigga. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 58, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Hey, comment and subscribe, man. I don't want to be too long, man. I gotta edit this, and we're gonna be back with more bangers. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for the YouTube vids, man. Like, we finna go up. Like I said, 2022 is our year. No, 2023 our year. We going up for real. We hitting numbers and shit. We been doing numbers, but we hit numbers and shit. Nah, but man, without further ado, man, I'ma catch y'all in the next one. No cap.